videos. I know I haven't shown my face in a long time and I have a lot of new subscribers that probably don't know who's behind the camera, but hey, this is me. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Today we will be making coffee mochi ice cream sundae. I know it's a lot to say, but it is so good. You're going to love this recipe if you're a sweet tooth type of person, because this recipe, let me tell you, it is thebomb.com. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. I make videos here every other day. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Alrighty, let's get started, you guys. I am using this Supreme Walnut Brownie Mix. I am just going to add that in this bowl right here. Now I am going to use Mochiko sweet rice flour. I am going to use that and add it in there. The measurement for all of the ingredients will be down below, so check it out. Now I will be adding some instant coffee. Just pour that in there. Alrighty, now time to add egg. I am using 1 egg, and just follow the direction on the box. And also I will be adding a little bit of flour and as well as some melted butter. You can add oil. I didn't have any, so I'm using melted butter. And then I will be using my hand mixer to mix everything together. Now I had to add a little bit more water than the box required because I added the mochi flour, so it's not too thick. Once that is well combined, just like so, we're going to pour it in our baking pan. I am using a what do you call it, parchment paper. And also I will be spraying some non-stick spray on there so we can remove our brownie easily. Just pour the batter in there, and we're going to bake this based on the brownie box direction. And make sure everything is lined up together. Once it is done, this is how it looks. You have yourself your brownie. Now I am going to remove it and put it on my. I use a glass to cut them into circles, just like I am doing now. You can make them into squares as well, but I feel like making them into a circle will be nice, so I cut them into circles just like so. Alrighty, now for my mochi, I am using strawberry mochi ice cream. I cut them into little bites just like this. And by the way, this is my favorite mochi flavor, the strawberry one. Now it's time to plate our coffee mochi ice cream sundae. I added some caramel syrup on the plate. Then I will be adding 1 layer of the brownie. Next, I will be adding the mochi ice cream on top. Top it off with some caramel syrup. Next, I will be adding another layer of the brownie. And I will repeat the same step basically. Now we're at the 3rd layer. I am going to add some caramel syrup again. It just makes it so gooey, delicious. then I am adding the third layer of the brownie, and then I will be adding some more ice cream on top. Now I will sprinkle some, not yet, calm yourself. I will be adding a little bit more caramel syrup, and then I will sprinkle some powdered sugar. Look how pretty! Oh my gosh! And basically, guys, this is it. You have yourself a coffee mochi brownie sundae. Yes, you guys, this is it. Let me know down below if you think this is delicious, because yes, it was. It was so delicious. It was so good. The brownie just tastes so smooth. You know how the outside of the mochi, the rice flour tastes like, it gives you a nice smooth flavor. It just tastes better than regular brownie. It's just smooth. It's not, I don't know, it's just so good. Okay, you just have to try it to see. This is it. I love mochi and I love brownie. Why not combine them together and you have yourself a coffee mochi brownie ice cream. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, and I will see you guys on my next video.